welcome back, Elock Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome. Regrow your spring onions. A really easy way to grow more onions. If you have purchased store-bought spring onions, bunching onions, whichever way you say it, you cut off the green part of the onion, you're left with this part. And as long as there are roots attached, you are good to go. My children love spring onions. They come out here all the time cutting off the tops of the onions. So I want to make sure we have plenty of spring onions growing for them this summer. Find a little spot and just get planting. I buy these a lot of times. It's because I catch these on sale all the time. Whole bunch for 99 cents. Go ahead and I'll get 2 or 3 for 99 cents each. They also help to cut down on pest pressure. Now, am I getting rid of all the pest pressure out here? No, I'm not. I'm willing to do whatever it takes. If it means planting a few herbs around my plants, if it means planting a few onions here and there, whatever it takes, I'm willing to try it. I do feel like it helps. I really don't think many pests especially care for the smell and the scent of onion and garlic. I really don't. But that's just me. That's just me. To each his own. So that's one. I may plant just another one here. I'm just poking my finger down in here, making a hole and popping them in. Nothing special. Just pop them in. Pop them in, water them in. Onions and garlic are not considered to be good companions with peas and beans. They can negatively impact the growth of peas and beans. Just keep that in mind. We don't want anything hindering the growth of our peas and beans. I said it, I said it. Gonna make another hole here. A couple of onions there. Plant an onion there. Plant a fatty here. Plant one there. Well, we can do 3. I like planting things in 3. 3 is a good number. So we got 3 here. The Trinity. Let's make it 3 on this side too. Okay, so we got 3 here, 3 over there. Let's find some other spots. Let's see. Probably plant a few in here with the kale. Let's pop one in here. One in there. Move some weeds while we're planting. I'll use this stake to help me poke some holes. How about that? That way I don't break a fingernail. This one's a little mushy. No, I'm going to take that one out. That one's a little mushy. The top was a little mushy, so I don't want that. Okay, and I did water these in. Okay, we watered those in. Watered these in here. There's 3 there. Some there. 3 here with the Thai basil. This looks like Swiss chard. There's 3 here. Here's where we started. My neighbor purchased some garden lights for me. I'll have to show you those one day. It was really nice of her. She sent me a text message and said, "There's something on your door I went to the door, looked inside the bag. There were 3 boxes of garden lights. Really nice. I have the best neighbors. Good. Yeah, they slip right off. That's how you know they're ready. They slip right off the plant. And that's what's left behind. Woo-hoo-hoo! I dropped a couple of them just trying to get one off. I've got to be more gentle. So good. Yum yum. I tell you, ain't nothing like fresh from your garden. There is nothing better. There is nothing better. There's got to be more here. Berries growing all over this plant. It's just not quite there yet. But look at all the berries. They're just waiting to ripen here. They're all back there. Oh, wait a minute. Do you all see some red back there? Oh, I see one right there. Look. Ouch, ouch. I'm going in. I'm reaching in. Yes, got one. Got another one. The birds are missing out. There's another one here too. Oh no, it looks like a beautiful butterfly was attacked. Look. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at the colors on it. Oh, so beautiful. It's like scattered all in my garden here. Oh no, poor guy. I tell you, vicious out here in these streets. I will see you guys back tomorrow. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.